Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Donny B channel. Imagine a world where your creative partner is an AI, where scientific breakthroughs happen at lightning speed, and where personalized education is available to every single person on the planet. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the future that companies like OpenAI are actively building, and it's closer than you think. Today, we're diving deep into how OpenAI's artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize our world, from the way we work to the very fabric of our daily lives. So, buckle up, because the future is now, and we're about to explore it together. Let's start with the workplace. For many of USA, the daily grind involves repetitive tasks, answering emails, summarizing long reports, or even writing basic code. Now, imagine an AI assistant, powered by something like GPT-4 or its successors, handling all of that for you. This isn't about replacing jobs, but rather augmenting them. Think of it as having the world's most efficient intern. This frees up human workers to focus on what we do best: strategic thinking, complex problem solving, and genuine human connection. Marketing professionals could generate dozens of ad copy variations in seconds. Programmers could debug code almost instantly. This shift will create new roles we can't even imagine yet. Roles centered on creativity, critical thinking, and managing AI systems. The nature of work is about to get a major upgrade, making us more productive and, hopefully, more fulfilled. Now, let's talk about creativity. For years, we've seen AI as a tool for logic and data, but with models like DALL-E, which can generate stunning images from a simple text description, that perception is changing. OpenAI is blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. A musician could describe a feeling or a scene and have an AI compose a unique melody. An author could overcome writer's block by asking an AI to brainstorm plot twists. This technology isn't here to steal the artist's soul. It's a new paintbrush, a new instrument. It democratizes creation, allowing anyone with an idea to bring it to life, visually or audibly, regardless of their technical skill. The result, an explosion of new art forms and creative expressions that will enrich our culture in unimaginable ways. Perhaps one of the most profound impacts of OpenAI's technology will be in the fields of science and medicine. Think about the sheer volume of research papers published every year. No human could possibly read and connect the dots between all of them, but an icon. It can sift through millions of data points, identify hidden patterns, and propose novel hypotheses for researchers to test. This could dramatically accelerate the discovery of new medicines, the development of new materials, and our understanding of complex diseases. Imagine an AI helping doctors diagnose illnesses earlier and with greater accuracy by analyzing medical scans and patient data. It could personalize treatment plans for individuals, leading to far better health outcomes. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about saving lives and solving some of humanity's biggest challenges. Education is another area ripe for transformation. The traditional one-size-fits-all classroom model has its limits. With OpenAI's technology, we can create truly personalized learning experiences. An AI tutor could adapt to each student's individual pace and learning style, explaining complex math problems in different ways until the concept clicks. It could provide instant feedback on essays, help students practice a new language with a conversational partner that's available 24/7, and curate learning materials based on a student's specific interests and goals. This would make high-quality, one-on-one tutoring accessible to everyone, regardless of their location or economic background. It has the potential to level the playing field and unlock the full potential of every single learner. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The rapid advancement of AI also brings up critical ethical questions that we need to address head. How do we prevent bias in AI algorithms? How do we protect privacy in a world where AI can analyze vast amounts of personal data? And what about the potential for misinformation when AI can generate realistic but completely fake text, images, and videos? OpenAI themselves are very focused on these safety and alignment issues, working to ensure that these powerful systems are used for good. It's a conversation that all of us need to be a part of. We must work together as a society, developers, policymakers, and the public to establish clear guidelines and ethical frameworks to steer this technology in the direction that benefits all of humanity. So, what does this all mean for our everyday lives? The changes will be both big and small. Your smart home assistant will become a true conversationalist, helping you plan your day, manage your schedule, and even offer creative suggestions for dinner. The way you shop will become hyper-personalized, with AI recommending products you'll genuinely love. Entertainment will become more interactive and immersive. While this sounds incredibly convenient, it also means we'll need to be mindful of our relationship with technology. Finding the right balance between leveraging these amazing tools and preserving our human connections and experiences will be key to navigating this new world successfully. The future isn't a passive event that happens to us. It's something we are all actively co-creating. The vision that OpenAI and others are building is not a distant dream. It's unfolding right before our eyes. We are at a pivotal moment in human history, similar to the dawn of the internet or the Industrial Revolution. The potential for positive change is immense, from curing diseases to unlocking unprecedented levels of creativity and making education accessible to all. However, it's crucial that we approach this future with a sense of optimism, tempered by responsibility. We must guide this technology with wisdom and foresight to ensure it serves humanity's best interests. The journey is just beginning, and it's going to be an incredible ride. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of the future. I'm incredibly excited to see how these technologies evolve and shape our world for the better. What are your thoughts? How do you think OpenAI will affect your life or your industry? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one, and I'd love to start a conversation with you. If you found this video insightful or thought-provoking, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend. And most importantly, make sure you resubscribe to the Donnie B channel and have that notification bell turned on so you don't miss our next deep dive into the technologies shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Scene opens with a fast-paced montage. Robots assisting in surgery, students interacting with AI tutors on tablets, self-driving cars, navigating a futuristic city, and artists using AI to generate stunning visuals. The music is optimistic and futuristic. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Donnie B channel. Have you ever stopped to think about how much our world is about to change? I mean, really, fundamentally change. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful forces shaping our future: artificial intelligence. Specifically, the groundbreaking work coming from companies like OpenAI. We're not just talking about smarter smartphones or better recommendation algorithms anymore. We're on the brink of a revolution that will touch every single aspect of our lives, from the jobs we do to how we learn, how we stay healthy, and even how we create art. It's a future that's both incredibly exciting and a little bit daunting. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's explore the world of tomorrow together. So, what exactly are we talking about when we say AI is changing everything? Let's start with healthcare. Imagine a world where diseases like cancer are detected years before they become a threat. AI models can already analyze medical scans like MRIs and X-rays with a level of accuracy that sometimes surpasses human experts. They can sift through millions of medical research papers in seconds to help doctors find the best possible treatment for a specific patient. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now. In the future, personalized medicine will be the norm. An AI could analyze your unique genetic makeup and lifestyle to create a health plan just for you, predicting potential health issues and giving you actionable steps to prevent them. This means longer, healthier lives for all of us. It's a shift from treating sickness to proactively maintaining wellness, and AI is the key that unlocks that door. Now, let's talk about something that's on everyone's mind: jobs. There's a lot of fear out there that AI is coming for our jobs. And it's true that some roles will be automated. Repetitive, data-heavy tasks are perfect for AI. But that's not the whole story. History has shown us that technological revolutions don't just eliminate jobs. They transform them and create entirely new ones we can't even imagine yet. Think about it. A century ago, who could have dreamed of a job as a social media manager or a drone pilot? AI will act as a co-pilot for many professions. A lawyer might use an AI to instantly analyze thousands of legal documents, freeing them up to focus on strategy. A programmer will use an AI assistant to write and debug code faster than ever before. It's about augmenting human capability, not replacing it. The focus will shift to skills that are uniquely human: critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex Our work will become more strategic, more creative, and hopefully more fulfilling. And what about education? The traditional one-size-fits-all model of education is about to get a major upgrade. Imagine a personal AI tutor for every student on the planet. This tutor would understand exactly how you learn best, where your strengths are, and where you're struggling. If you're a visual learner, it will provide diagrams and videos. If you learn by doing, it will create interactive simulations for you. Learning will become completely personalized, allowing every child to learn at their own pace and reach their full potential. This could be one of the greatest equalizers in human history, giving anyone with an internet connection access to a world-class education. It's not about replacing teachers, but about giving them superpowers. Teachers can then focus on what they do best: mentoring, inspiring, and fostering a love of learning in their students. Of course, we can't talk about AI's impact without touching on creativity. For a long time, we thought creativity was the one thing machines could never replicate. Well, think again. AI models can now compose music in the style of Bach, write poetry, and generate breathtakingly realistic images from a simple text description. Does this mean human artists are obsolete? Absolutely not. AI is becoming an incredible new tool in the creative toolbox. An architect can use AI to generate hundreds of building designs in minutes. A filmmaker can visualize an entire scene before a single frame is shot. A writer can use it to brainstorm ideas and overcome writer's block. AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, allowing us to express our creativity in ways we never thought possible. It's a collaboration between human imagination and machine intelligence, and the art that emerges from this partnership is going to be extraordinary. Now, with all this incredible potential comes great responsibility. The rise of powerful AI isn't a guaranteed utopia. We have to be smart about how we develop and deploy this technology. We need to have serious conversations about ethics. How do we prevent bias from being baked into AI algorithms? How do we ensure that AI is used to benefit everyone, not just a select few? We need to think about privacy and data security in a world where AI systems know more about us than ever before. And what about the economic shifts? We need to create social safety nets and robust retraining programs to help people adapt to the changing job market. These aren't easy questions, and there are no simple answers. It requires collaboration between technologists, policymakers, ethicists, and all of us, as a society, to steer this ship in the right direction. Building a positive future with AI is a choice, and it's one we have to make consciously and carefully. So, what does this all mean for you and me in our daily lives? It means a future of incredible convenience and capability. Imagine your home's AI assistant not just playing music, but managing your schedule, ordering groceries when you're running low, and even suggesting dinner recipes based on what you have in your health goals. Transportation will be safer and more efficient with self-driving cars, virtually eliminating traffic accidents and giving us back hours of our time every day. Entertainment will become deeply immersive and personalized. It's a future where technology works seamlessly in the background to make our lives easier, healthier, and more connected. The changes will be gradual at first, and then all at once. We are living in one of the most exciting moments in human history, witnessing the dawn of a new age. Scene shifts back to Donnie, who is sitting in a calm, thoughtful setting. The journey into the age of AI is just beginning, and honestly, no one knows exactly where it will lead. But one thing is for sure, it will be a wild ride. The power to shape this future is in our hands. By staying informed, engaging in the conversation, and embracing a mindset of lifelong learning, we can ensure that this powerful technology is a force for good. We can build a world that is more intelligent, more compassionate, and more prosperous for everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Donnie B channel. I am so curious to hear what you think. What part of the AI revolution excites you the most? What are your biggest concerns? Let me know down in the comments below. Let's start a real conversation about this. And if you found this video insightful or thought-provoking, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.